Hey guys, hope you can join me as I show you how to draw the Lorax. Let's start with his nose, a little shape like that. And then this is the top of his head. And then he's got an eye that comes in here. And an eye that comes in there, little eyes. Bit bigger than his nose. Circle, circle with a circle in the middle. And then he's got his eyebrows that come basically down and around, like so. Down and around like so. And then underneath his nose, he's got all this, that big moustache that kicks out and around like this. So bring that out, bring that down, and then flick them around like that. This is the Lorax. Now we've got his body, so big sort of oval, bottom of an oval shape like that. This is where his arm comes out. He's got his hands on his hips. So bring that curve of that around, and he's got his hand like that on his hip. Not very happy, I wouldn't have thought, having his house destroyed, or his area destroyed by the Onceler, who's another recent drawing I've done, and thanks for the request for that one. Then into the side looking foot through here, bring that up, and let's bring the other arm out here. There we go. There's the Lorax. Let's draw the Lorax in now with a pen. And he'll look really good once I put some colour into him. Don't forget to bring those bits out. Circle for the eyes, another circle, you can leave a little white dot in there, circle, bring that around like that. Now let's bring his big moustache out. Bring some lines back in there to show where it goes. Same on this side. Side of the head. And then let's bring his arms out. Bring his arm out. On this side of his body. Don't see it as much. Bring his leg out. And bring his foot over this side. There's his hand, into his arm and back up. Let's go around the Lorax with a thicker marker.